Good morning, buenos dias.
From Guatemala. We arrived off the 3 a.m. bus that we got from El Salvador, Santa Ana this morning. It was an early start.
But it wasn't too bad, the border was super quick. Just waiting to check into our hotel.
We're going to go on a walking tour. It starts at 10.
So we're just going to have a little change if we can and head out for 10 o'clock to check out Antigua.
From here is where most travellers will go and climb the... What's the volcano called?
That building was the university during the colonial time. In town, the university building is a museum, but this university is still functional in Guatemala City.
Quick fact, look at the stones we're stepping on. They, from the 1500s, they're 500 years old.
Very old.
They're actually exactly 500 years old. It's 1523 these were laid. So we're celebrating their 500th year anniversary. Market. This is quite a nice mirror. Look.
You're getting all the different things.
I'm only getting one now because
We just came to the local market and got these taco kind of things, and it cost 30 quasal, which is about £3.
Wow. So £1.50 each.
Nice.
Yeah.
There's loads of culinary things, culinary delights that we want to try. There's churros, crepes, steak sandwiches, tacos.
Anything you can think of is here, except for pasta and pizza. Simple.
Zombies coming out. So it's Easter week while we're here, so what you saw just there was the Easter procession, which goes down every day this week.
3 times a day, you told me.
Yeah, it's very ominous sounding and looking. So maybe we'll check out the day one tomorrow. And right now we've just popped into a textiles market. It's apparently our tour guide said this is the most touristy town / city in Guatemala, so.
And the most expensive, because it's the most touristy.
Because there's nice things, but I'm going to save buying things until we get somewhere less touristy. So. Put it on. Creepy. Good morning. Day 2, Antigua. We're just on our way to the big locals market, which sells vegetables and fruit and apparently lots of second-hand clothing and knickknacks. So we're going to go and check it out now.
Lots of volcanoes here, as we've already mentioned. There's also lots of school buses you'll see in Central America. I think once they get disused or not fit for service in America, they'll send them down to Central America, and they are the public buses which the locals use. They're literally everywhere. There's 2 other ones on the display. They're very cheap to use, to get about, but they can be quite hot, quite sweaty.
We're just having a little route around the market and we found this t-shirt.
Hipsters would love it.
Hipster t-shirt, and it's 20p. So we're tempted to buy a new backpack and fill it up with all our goodies. These piles of clothes are overwhelming, to say the least. Bet there's a lot of hidden gems, but it's hot and it's a lot to sort out. What's this? No. So Alex has just found another bargain.
The St. Louis Rams football team. And the prize,
we think,
was 3 for 5, which is 3 items for 50p.
but the zip's gone, but I think we can get that fixed easy. How much do you think it'd be worth back home?
In a vintage store back home, this would cost 50 quid probably. So we're just halfway through, well, nearly at the end of thrifting, because it started off great, 20p t-shirt, and it's gradually got more expensive. Example, we need a bag to buy to put all this new stuff we bought in. This bag is £100 for a second-hand backpack.
And now we're on to a viewing platform called Cerro de la Cruz, I think. I think it's like 15-20 minutes to get to from the town. And you can get nice views of the volcano in the town, so. So we just got to the top. It was about a 15-minute walk. There's volcano, Agua, you can see. You can just about see.
You can also, if you look in the bottom right corner, is the main cathedral and plaza. It's where the food market is, where you can get nice food for cheap.
Good morning. It is 6:45 a.m. We're just on our way to go and meet up with our tour guide and the rest of the group to go climb Acatenango Volcano, the 7 a.m. start. So we're all packed, ready to go for a big hike. Our tour costs about $65 per person, and we get our food and stuff included as well. So.
When I was out here last night, I had with me thermal pants, rain pants, thermal shirt, fleece jacket, jumper, windbreaker, hat and gloves, a scarf, and even I was a little bit chilly.
We've arrived, got our jackets, picked our jackets, and now we're going to pick up some a hat and scarf, some warm socks. It's going to be cold up there, between -10 and 5 degrees, so. He likes Alex's Burberry scarf.
Soft on the face.
So we finished the briefing and got handed our lunches, which Alex wasn't around for, so we had to hang back and sort that out. So we're behind the last ones.
We're going to lose them. We have to make our own way up there.
We're on the final push. We're above the clouds now, so the sun's out. You can see a volcano just peeking out. Volcano Agua maybe. We'll have a well-deserved rest after this. Only another hour or so to go, I think. We made it. Difficulty level?
5. It wasn't too bad. It was easy enough. There's some people struggling, but if you've got a reasonable level of fitness, it's not too long.
Wear grippy shoes, because there was a girl who did it in Converse and she was sliding all over the place. So
yeah, wear grippy shoes, but it's definitely worth it. Not just the volcano behind us, but
the clouds.
The clouds here might get a bit right above the clouds. But yeah, hopefully we can film a eruption for you later with the in the dark. So it's, oh, there we go. Talk of it.
Here it is. One of 3 active volcanoes in Guatemala. Welcome to our humble abode. Relaxing, having some snacks, and then I think we're gonna have our dinner and a bonfire with marshmallows, we've heard.
We got the best tent in the house.
Here we do. I'll show you it. So we're on the end. Here we are. Here we are. Boom! It's very nice. Oh, that's a good one. Whoa! That's the best one yet. We're just, we finished dinner and had hot chocolate, marshmallows by the fire. Saw the volcano erupting with the lava. And now we're in bed, in our tent. Tomorrow morning we get up at 4 AM to see the sunrise.
That's what the guy said yesterday.
So it was a 4 AM start to hike an hour up to the summit for sunrise. We've already been greeted with spectacular views. So we got to the top and it's freezing. So cold. But the views are insane.
Insane.
Insane. I'll show you. We've got this other volcano. Is it worth the early 4 AM start, Alex?
Yeah, absolutely. It's really worth the 4 AM start. No, it is worth the 4 AM start. But some things worth getting up early for. Not many, but I think sunrise over
Above the clouds.